Hello everyone, welcome back to Knitting Know-How. This is Sherry, and I was going to teach you how to cast on stitches using the 2-needle method. So you're going to need 2 needles and a piece of yarn, and that's all you're going to need. So let's get started. Now I'm going to do the first knot for my needle by hand. Some people do it on the needle, but what I'm going to do is wrap it around, cross over, and then you want to make sure you have a 4-inch tail. And then I'm going to take that yarn and bring it under. And I'm not going to pull it through all the way through, but I am going to grab the tail and I'm going to hold that piece that I pulled under and the other side, and I'm going to bring it up and make my loop. And then you just insert it and pull it up. And that's just how I do it. Everybody does it different to get that first stitch on the needle. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take the tail and the needle and put it in your left hand. You're going to take the right needle and you're going to put it in your other hand. And so what you're going to do is insert the needle into the front of that stitch. I'm going to kind of loosen it up a little here because my needles are a little bit fat. Alright, so now you're going to take your yarn. Let me adjust my camera here. Take the yarn in your other hand, the right hand, and you're going to hold it any way that's comfortable for you. And then you're going to take the yarn and you're going to wrap it around, or you're going to bring it over the right needle. Now, you're going to pull the needle, the right needle, and the yarn down together so that when you bring it through the left stitch, you get a good grip on that thread. So basically now this is what it should look like. You have one on the left and you have one on the right. And now you're going to hold the stitch on the left hand needle as you're placing the right hand stitch onto the left hand needle. Now you have 2 stitches. Okay, you do it again. Now from now on you're always going to use the new stitch that you put on, and the rest of them are going to stay back there because you're casting on stitches. So you're going to place your needle through the front of that first stitch, and then you're going to but you're going to take the yarn and go over the right needle, pull both of them down together, and pull that thread through that left stitch. Now you're going to hold your left stitches and place the stitch from the right needle onto the left needle. Now you have 3. Okay, we'll do it again. Place your needle in front of that stitch. Take your yarn over the right needle. Pull the needle and yarn on the right hand side through the left stitch. And now you're going to take and hold the left stitches as you place the stitch from the right needle onto the left needle. Now you have 4. Just to tighten it up a little bit, you can kind of get a look at what it looks like here. We're going to do a few more so you can really see how it looks, but it does look really nice when you get it on there. So I'm going to do a few without saying anything, just so you kind of see how it works with no interruptions. So here we go. Insert, oh, sorry. Old habits die hard. You can use your thumb to move those stitches over so that you can get into that other stitch you need to get into. But as you can see, it goes along real smoothly, and it's not hard to do. So this is what it looks like. It's to me, it's really nice. It's very neat, very nice. And some people can get really fast at this and make it look, you know, cast on hundreds of stitches to do whatever project they're doing. And other people, they may not do it as fast. But to me, it comes out looking really, really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you join me back at Knitting Know How. And thank you so much for watching.